Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And today I'm going to be previewing this unit at Fontainebleau with permission by the listing agent Adele Egelston with Century 21 Blue Marlin Pelican. Let's take a look at this and see what I think is so special about this unit. We're in unit 219 right now. This is a studio efficiency. Here we got your kitchenette here with a cooktop here, and then you have a bathroom, closet, full bathroom here. So we have a shower and tub combo right here. One of the greatest things about this building in general, in my opinion, is the view. So with this unit, you are extremely close to the Gulf. There's only one more unit off to our right before you are looking right at the Gulf. The wind is kind of kicking up here, so there might be some buffeting on the microphone when I go to show you the view up close. But check out what is straight ahead for a moment. That is Bidawee Beach. There's a half mile of deeded gated access. So not only is it one of the nicest beaches in Panama City Beach, it's usually not too crowded because it's kind of difficult to get to there. But one of the benefits of having a unit in Fontainebleau is you can go right down the stairs and then you're right at the beach. You just walk a couple hundred feet to the left and you're on Bidawee Beach. If you choose to walk a half mile, you can enjoy that beach uncrowded pretty much all year. I think I've only seen it really busy on July 4th weekend, but let me show you the view of the pool from right outside your front door of unit 219. Gulf views. It's a rainy, cloudy day, but just steps from your front door you get amazing Gulf views here. Back to the unit real quick. 219. So you guys, if you have any interest in purchasing this condo, I would love to help you. Give me a call, 850-628-5385, or reach out to me via our contact form. Anyways, you guys, I will catch you on the next one. Thank you, Adele, for letting me do this video of your listing here at Fontainebleau, Unit 219, Panama City Beach, Florida. Bye for now.